So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add media inside of a video here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play my video right here and you wanted to have maybe a video playing or some media inside of the video, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the bottom right, select on the plus icon. Once you're here, select on the media tab. Then you can go ahead and view some sample media right here, or you can upload your own media. So I'm just going to go ahead here and add this photo of this like beach looking thing. Maybe I'll put that in the top right just like that. If I wanted to maybe add another one, you can go ahead, add another one. Media, let's just add the cat right here. Taking a nice little browse. So this is my media that I've added. So once that is good to go, you can go ahead and play your video right here, which I will do. Oh, it's taking a couple seconds. It's not working here, but you guys get the point here. So sorry, my thing just froze, which is too bad, but that's how you guys can add media here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.